How to fix WhatsApp PDF not opening. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone helps in clearing minor glitches on your iPhone. It is the most effective fix for fixing glitches on your iPhone. The next fix is launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Further, check your storage space, as low storage can block file downloads. Now, in settings again, make sure you are using a stable internet connection. So, tap on Wi Fi and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And if not, then you can also try to switch between networks. That is, if you are using Wi Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi Fi. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then open WhatsApp and then open the conversation. Here, if you see a down arrow icon on the PDF, then tap it to fully download the PDF. Wait until the file shows the proper name or size. And if you are still not being able to download the PDF, then you can open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp and make sure the app is updated to its latest version in order to use the app smoothly. And if your issue is still not fixed, then you can ask the sender to resend the PDF. If possible, try opening the same file on another device to see if the PDF itself is damaged. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp PDF not opening. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.